What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we may have a controversial one. So recently, it's been about 2 weeks now that I've actually had to return to the office, meaning I've had to daily drive this vehicle for 2 weeks, and we're gonna talk about it. Today we're gonna be talking about, is this Toyota Tacoma a good daily driver? Now, before I absolutely destroy this Tacoma, let's just start off with what a good daily driver is. So I've written some things down. I think it's inside the truck. If not, this video is over. Yes, I have my little notepad right here. Depending on what kind of daily driving you do, I guess this would vary, but for me, okay, now that I'm saying this, maybe someone's gonna get offended, but my drive is like 5 minutes. It's mostly stop, go, stop, go. So that's what I'm basing my points of what a good daily driver would be. So if your daily driving is straight highway, maybe it's a little bit different, but for me, these are 4 points that make a good daily driver. One, it's good on gas, right? It has to be fuel efficient, it has to be economical, because, well, you're doing it every day. 1, to get there, 2, to get back home, and if you don't pack lunch, 3, to get your lunch. Number two, it can't be too big. Right about now, I'm thankful that I didn't go with a Toyota Tundra because, well, that would not have been fun. I was about to get a Tundra. Had I did that and now have to be daily driving it, these points would only be worse. It can't be too big, something nimble, something slim. That way, well, you know, you can get around. Number 3 is you have to drive a vehicle you really don't care about. Now, this Tacoma, it's my baby. I love it. I absolutely love this truck so very much. And, well, at work, like right now, you see the leaves are moving because it's windy. Let's say I park next to somebody, right? They park, hey Manny, how are you doing? How are you doing? Bang! There goes my beautiful voodoo blue paint and a friendship that I may have had. Feel like it's better to have a beater just to take to work. Whatever happens to it, you know, it happens. Who cares? And last but not least, it has to be quick. It has to be light. It has to be quick and light, or quick. Wait, it either has to be light or quick, or both. Now that we know what I think makes a good daily driver, let's talk about the Tacoma behind us. But if you have been noting what I've been pointing out and you own a Tacoma, you know where this video is about to go. This one is bad. Let's talk about the gas mileage, right? 2.5 miles. It's a 5-minute drive from home to work. Throughout the week, I was looking at my gas mileage. It was awful, okay? Horrendous. The best that I got was 11 mpg from home to work. The worst that I got was 7, so in the middle of 9, right? Let's call it 9. Now let me know what you guys think. Now it's 2.5 miles. I can't exceed 25 miles an hour because it's a school road. Every few hundred feet I have to stop and then go, stop and then go. So it's really bad on the truck. I feel like it's even worse on the brakes and on the gas. Speaking of which, gas cap mod, if you're interested, it's super sick, super simple, but super sick, super simple. I actually use this to fill up after a week of work. Jeez Louise. Please like, comment, subscribe, use all the affiliate links that you can see. Thanks. I don't think that was closed right. Okay, there we go. Number two seems like maybe more of a personal problem, because now that I'm sitting here in this parking lot, it's not too bad, but where I work, the parking lots are not this spacious. That line is more like right there, and the truck seems to be a little bit more out. So for me, the Tacoma is just a little bit too long. There's a parking lot right in front of the building, and then there's a parking lot all the way past over yonder. I'm parking all the way over there past yonder. I'm scared that when I'm driving the truck out, I'm gonna hit somebody's bumper or something. Now, call me crazy, but it's happened multiple times. I don't want to have to make that video. Let's just say that. Number 3, this is my trophy vehicle, right? Like, this is what I use, 1, for work, 2, when I want to go out and be fancy, 3, this is what I use for YouTube. Like, this is my baby. The more times you put it in a chance to get hurt, the more likely it is to get hurt. If I was gonna drive it Monday and Friday, fine, whatever, we could do it. But I'm driving it Monday through Friday, and then after work, if I go out to have dinner, whatever the case may be, then you just increase the risk of it getting door dinged. So although number 3 is maybe a me problem, well, all of these are a me problem. Some people have Tacomas there. Some people have like Ford parked front and center, hit me signs on them. But my Tacoma is my baby. I love it. I don't know. So this last one, I think directly affects number 1, the gas mileage. But number 4 is, remember how I said it needs to be quick or light? this Tacoma is heavy and slow. This Tacoma is so sluggish. Even if I wanted to, in between stop signs, to get up to like 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, I just would not be able to without breaking something. It's not a good stop and go type of vehicle. I feel like this is more of a drive 30 minutes, 40 minutes on the highway, get to a job site. This is just a reminder. If you're looking for a Tacoma as a daily driver, really consider what kind of driving you're gonna be doing. The only saving grace for me that voids everything I just said, I absolutely love that truck. I love it. Although it sucks, although the transmission is slow and the gas pedal is just as useful as the dead pedal, I love it. I love the blue, I love the interior, I love driving it, I love the steering wheel, I love so many things about it that like absolutely get rid of everything else, because I feel like if this truck just sucked and I needed to drive it, well then that's a bad moment. That's horrid. But you know, I get out of this truck to go into work, I turn around and I lock it. Smile on my face. I get back to this truck, I'm excited. I'm like almost trying to run to get to my truck. It's the best feeling. I love this truck and I think that's where it's okay. I'm sorry, Sandy's waiting for me to go eat. And she just texted me, is you okay? So with everything being said and done, I love my Tacoma. I love it. Is it a good daily driver? No. But is it an amazing vehicle? Yes, I absolutely love it. Obviously there's things that I would change and there's things that I can change that will change later in the modification process. Nonetheless, as a daily vehicle, is it good? Is it bad? I think it's bad. Is it the worst? No. Because, well, then you could have a Tundra with the 5.7 and it would be even worse. Just depends on you. Let me know, do you commute every day to work? Some people have a very far commute. Some people work from home. Some people drive 5 minutes like I do, and it's not so bad. I'm interested. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. I believe we're like 110 away. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace. It's getting closer to winter. Right now I'm recording outside and my hands are already freezing. That was dramatic. They're fine.